Hello everybody. After finalizing the different elements here, including the transitions and set up the transition flag here for each of the animation and doing all that, we have to continue with the scripting for this animation. So as we did before, we created here a menu container and we attached the script to it. So if you go here to the main container, make sure that you attach the main container here inside the anim. After that, you have to go to the menu controller, and we have two functions that we tested before. So I have to go to the script here. We have show dialog and we have the hide dialog. So here I need to call the first animation. So in order to call the first animation, we have to use the animator that has the animation. So here, as you can see, we have the animation, and here you can see this animator is the main controller of the animators. So here, as you can see, the animator got 3 animations. All right, so we have to toggle between these animation according to our transition here. So here's true, here's false, and here's false. All right, so right now if you click play, you're gonna notice that we go from entry directly to the no animation state. So we're just gonna be here at this state. So once I click on the true flag, so once we turn this to true, you can see I'm just gonna show the dialog here. Once I turn it back to false, I'm just gonna move the dialog to the no animation state. So but we're not gonna do this from here from the editor. We're just gonna do this through the script. So here we attach a reference to the animator. So here I can go and say animator. We have something called set bool, and once you set bool here, we can just set the bool that we have, which is slide the menu, slide the menu, and here I can turn this to true or false. So I'm just gonna give it a value of true first, and after that I need to give this a value of false. So right now go play, and you go here, you click play, all right, you click here, we just toggled in the dialog, the menu container, and you can see it's working correctly. We click here, just hide it, and this is really awesome. I just want to add another cool thing here called overlay. So most of the time when you work with menus, we have something called overlay. So you can add the overlay inside your canvas directly by going here, create a new UI panel, and you can control the color of it, for example, and you can control the opacity of it to be something like that, and put it here, and just gonna put this overlay at the beginning of or just before the menu container. So I just gonna name this as overlay. All right, overlay panel. You can name it whatever name you want. All right. Okay, and I need to turn this on once we just show the dialog. So here we need to make it stretched, and also here I need to make it stretched, and I need to go scene here, and just to go to the tool here and just try to make it something like that. All right. So yeah, this is the overlay panel. I need to use this and trigger this in code. So when I start the game, it's just going to be disabled, but when I show up the dialog, it's just going to turn it on. So in order to achieve this, we have to go to the script, and we have to do something here. We have to make a public game object. All right, let's say overlay, something like that. All right, anything you want. I'm not sure the spelling is correct, but it's okay. So yeah, I have to come here, and when I slide the menu, I need to turn this on. So I'm just gonna come here and say overlay set active to true. Okay, here I'm just gonna toggle this. So I'm just gonna set active to false. All right. So make sure that you disable this in the editing mode, and we're just gonna run it inside the script. So you go here, the menu container, we saved the script, so we should got a reference to it. Yeah, here we have an overlay, so we have to copy this here. So why I did this, not using find object by name, because when you wanna do find object or game object to find, the game object gonna find every active object in the scene. So in order to get the object, whether it's active or not, we have to get a reference inside the code. So that's why I created this game object here and created here an overlay to it, and it created a reference here inside the code. Find gaming object not all the time works. So initially, when you start a game and you try to find an object which is not active, it's not gonna be found. So all the time, make sure that you have a reference here inside the script of the game object once it's deactivated. So right now I can go here and click play. Alright, so I can click in the menu and can see we got a really nice overlay. I can click here and can hide the overlay. So yeah, this is really awesome, guys. You can feel it. Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much, guys, about this section. I try to simplify the things for you, give you quick tips about the different UI component. Trust me, this is one of the greatest implementation here on the web about the Unity UI, and it's just a great part of this course. Thank you guys for watching this section, and see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to leave us a great review about the course, and send us your feedback. We'll be very, very optimistic to hear from you. And again, I'm just gonna thank everybody who participating in this course, asking questions, and I would love to see your work here in the course. Thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next lesson.